So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Ethereum with Apple Pay here on crypto.com. So once crypto.com is opened up, I want you to go to the main screen here and either select on Ethereum or go to the top left and press on buy, then type in ticker symbol ETH or just type in Ethereum and then press on it this way. So once you're on the Ethereum screen, make sure that cash is highlighted, which for me it is, but for example, if crypto is highlighted, you can then buy crypto with, or I guess buy Ethereum with different crypto. But because you want to use Apple Pay, make sure that cash is selected. Now for me, Apple Pay is selected by default, but for example, if you have maybe a credit card linked or a debit card linked or whatever, press on add payment method, select your Apple Pay, get that organized and set up, and then if all looks good, make sure that that is selected, go to the bottom, press on buy, and then proceed with the transaction that way through Apple Pay. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Ethereum with Apple Pay on crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.